let's break down whole life. Whole life is a permanent policy. So where we said term is temporary and for a period of time, we are now showing that whole life is something that is permanent. It lasts your entire life. It's going to be there no matter when you die, as long as you maintain paying your premium. But whole life has a fixed premium. The premium is also going to be level. It's not going to increase on you. It's also going to have a cash value component that you're going to be able to borrow money from. It also has an increasing death benefit. And if the company you purchase with is mutual and is paying dividends, then you also will receive dividends from the policy. So they're very different. How do I know which one is the one I'm supposed to get? Guess what? In certain cases, it's not one or the other. It may be both. Why? I might have some temporary situations, meaning that my kids are young and they're still dependent on me and I have a mortgage, and I have permanent situations because I may not die in the temporary period of time. I might live till I'm 85 or 90. So I have a policy that's going to last my entire life. So no matter when I die, I still have insurance. Why else do I need this permanent policy? Well, it has living benefits, unlike the term policy that allows you to borrow from it. So if I bump into a hardship in my life and I need to figure out how to pay my mortgage because I lost my job for 6 months, I can dip into my whole life policy if it's sufficient cash value available, and I can go ahead and make sure that I don't lose my house because I couldn't pay my mortgage. Or if I'm a business owner and I want to invest in my business because the bank said no to me, I'm going to dip into my own cash value and borrow from myself and utilize it to grow my business. Or if I'm in real estate and I need to do rehab, or I want to purchase a policy, you can use the money for anything that you want. The great thing about having a whole life policy is, like, when you get penalties from your 401k or from your IRA for taking loans out or taking money out, it's a taxable event. But when you borrow from yourself in an insurance policy, it's not a taxable event. So this type of policy can be beneficial to you because it doesn't have those penalties for dipping in at an early time. So just so that we reiterate everything, term is temporary. It's your most affordable policy that you can get. And then you have whole life, which is going to be a permanent policy that lasts your entire life. But it has living benefits. It has a fixed premium, and on top of that, it's one of the most expensive types of policies that exist. So you can have both, but you also can have one or the other if that's what suits your goals.